thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, northwestern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, west-central Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Milton or near Mountain Park, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marietta, Peachtree Corners, Mountain Park, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Alpharetta, Dunwoody, Milton, Woodstock, Norcross, Doraville, Mount Bethel, Union Hill, Sweat Mountain, Birmingham, Mechanicsville, Sandy Plains, and Hickory Flat. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, and flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.